Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
For executive or senior executive, it is for a Kia India Cars manufacturing. So let us see what are the qualifications and experience and skills required for these positions. So required qualification would be MBA, MCOM, CA, IAC, WA, and for executives 3 to 4 years of experience is required, and for senior executive positions 6 to 8 years of experience is required. So if you are interested to know the details, you please go through with the job description and other details mentioned here. So if you are interested to apply for these positions, you can also share your resume to the provided mail ID. Opportunity space, we are hiring for the different positions mentioned here, such as associate recruitment and development manager, agency development manager, business development manager, and assistant sales manager. So graduation is mandatory for all the positions. So salary would be up to 5 lakhs per annum, and along with this you are going to get the incentives. So 1 year of sales, any sales experience is required for the positions mentioned here. So if you are suitable to apply any of the positions mentioned here, you can also share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a sales executives. So it is for a Wheels I. So the candidates should have minimum 1 year of experience to apply for these positions. So if you are interested to apply, you can share your resume to the provided mail IDs. Next one, there are openings for a cluster manager business, direct business. So it is for a leading housing finance company for AHF or HF and LAP, loan against property. So CTC would be up to 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. So if you are interested to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a trial coordinator. So it is for a Veringzia. So the qualification required would be BSc Agri in diploma holders. So freshers are eligible to apply. So the candidates should have your own two-wheeler with a valid driving license and also insurance and a laptop. So you can go through all the benefits mentioned here. So you are going to get the salary would be 15,000 rupees per month, and along with this you are going to get TA and allowances per laptop and all the things mentioned here. So if you want to know more detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there are openings for a medical sales representative field work. It is for a leading pharma company. So BSc, B Pharma degree candidates are eligible to apply. So freshers and up to 6 months of experience candidates both are eligible to apply for these positions, and the age limit should be below 29 years, and they are going to offer a salary would be 20 to 25,000 rupees per month, and also you can go through with the incentives and other benefits mentioned here. So if you want to apply for these positions, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next, and there are openings for a growth managers or franchise sales managers for a Super K. So if you are interested to apply for these positions available from Super K, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.